Hey guys, I'm Shannon the Garden Girl from Georgina Garden Center. I am going to show you, because I've had a few requests, how I put the diatomaceous earth on and what it is and what it does. So here I have my squashes, cucumbers, what else do I have here? Squashes, which is that one. Sorry, I'm trying to remember where I am here. Squashes, I have zucchini here, and then I have two different cucumbers there and watermelon. So you can see I have dusted. I dusted this probably almost a week ago now. It has rained since, so I'm going to put more on. It's all natural. So this one here, that's what this package looks like. And you notice down at the bottom it says, put my finger there so you see where it says, Diatomaceous earth, right there. Okay, so it's all natural. The dust, it kills anything that crawls. What it does is, to us it feels like a powder, but to the insect, when they crawl over it, it cuts their exoskeleton and they dry up and die. So, totally food safe. Just make sure the container, whenever you buy it, it says food safe. So especially if you're putting it on your vegetable garden. So what I do, I'm going to switch hands here. Sorry. It's a dust, like I said. To us it feels like a powder. I'm just going to see if I can find some cucumber beetles, which we're trying to get here. There's one hiding inside that bloom there. See him? So I'm just going to, there you go. I just squeezed the powder, and it comes out like that. And they'll die. You don't have to necessarily make contact with every one of them. It does help, but and I try not to, well, I definitely don't put this on the blooms if there's bees or any other beneficial bugs flying around, like ladybugs, anything like that, because this will also interfere with the ladybugs and the whole process of pollinating my veggies here. So what I'm doing, I'm just squeezing this. It dusts. Now it is slightly tiny. Well, there's not. I can say don't ever do this with a breeze. It is food safe, but you don't want to inhale it through your nose. Okay, you can't come in contact with mucous membranes. So just dust, and make sure you get the soil too, because I've noticed with these little pests that when you touch the plant, they tend to drop to the bottom. I guess it's a defense mechanism. So if you dust the soil as well, get all in, it's hard with one hand, then when they fall to the ground, they're still getting it. So I have some more blooms in there, and I try and, come on, powder's clogged. Okay. And then what I tend to do, because you see it kind of clumps in some spots, then what I'll do is kind of shake it so it kind of falls down lower. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt on your hands. It feels like powder. But I do wash my hands after this. Okay, so I just kind of shake it so it falls down below. And I do that with each plant. So in this one, you can see I have dusted. There's one right on top of that bloom there. So get him. There's some inside that bloom. They like to hide in there. And they haven't ravished the plants yet, but I don't want to wait to that point till they really affect it. See back there in that bloom back there, he's hiding. I'm going to get him on there. And again, down on the soil level. And the powder kind of clogs the opening there, so you have to shake the bottle back down again. Okay, so that's how easy it is. I have applied this before, because it stays on quite a while. Like as I said, last one I did was about a week ago, and you can still kind of see the remnants of it. It has rained since, so depending on how much was on here, clearly I had a lot on because some has still stayed in the rain. But if you've noticed a lot of it is washed off after a rain, then you can reapply it. But otherwise, we get it in there good, it should be okay. But if you know it's going to rain within, 24 hours type thing, just wait till after the rain to apply it. I just see another one down there. There you go. Okay, so that's how you apply diatomaceous earth. That's how easy it is. Yes, it looks a little unsightly for the time being. However, it saves your plants from being eaten and annihilated by the little cucumber beetle and other assorted crawling, chewing insects. Have a great day, guys.